The only reason I'm making this dressing is because we like anchovies in our salad and we like blue cheese. So it's a pain in the neck to like put the blue cheese all over your salad evenly. The same thing with the anchovy. So let's make a dressing. Calling it anchovy blue cheese dressing. Everything is in there except the olive oil. So we'll turn it on, and just to make sure I don't make a mess, I'm going to use a funnel to pour the oil into there. As you can see the funnel sitting on top. Yes, you can. So let's get started. Turn it on. I'm drizzling it in slowly. You can see how slow it's going in. And it's going to start to get thicker and thicker, and it'll be like mayonnaise. And to thin it out, I'm going to put warm water in there. Because if I don't put warm water, after it's refrigerated tomorrow, it'll be like a thick mayonnaise. And here goes the water. We're going to check and see how thick it is. I don't even have to, you know what? You can see how thick it is from there. That's still way too thick. Because one day after it sits in the refrigerator, it thickens up even more. Well, you know what? For a salad dressing, that's pretty damn good. Let me taste it. The only adjustment I have to make is if it needs more anchovy, more blue cheese, or garlic and salt. I taste everything that's in there. So, I guessed it correctly. Now let's pour it out. That's good. Taste the blue cheese, and I taste the anchovies. And what else do you need to taste? Because that's what you want. So we'll take this. Let's make sure we can see what we're doing. Move that aside. Put this here, and I'm not getting enough lighting from behind me. I don't want to waste film, I don't want to waste time, but I want to put this so you can see how the dressing comes out. Look how nice and creamy that is. creamy, tasty, and it's going to make enough dressing. I'm going to get the rest out in a few minutes. But let's look at that again. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, just in case tomorrow that it is a drop thicker than this, just add a little water and mix it up. Hope you enjoy this. The flavor is there for your salad, much easier than trying to cut up the anchovies and the blue cheese.